So to start using Eagle, all you're going to need to do is download the Eagle application, which is free to download, and then start a new project. So you can name this project anything you want. It's best to make it descriptive. So in this, we'll be making a simple PWM output circuit. Then you're going to do File, New, Schematic, and if you look over to the left side, there are all of these different tools that you can use. The only one of these tools that we're going to be using to start with is the Add New. We'll just be using this one right here. Then you just search for your component, and you can see there's also the schematic and then also the physical layout of it. Then you're just going to start placing down all the components you need. Whenever you're placing down your components, you need to make sure to pay attention to the physical dimensions of these pieces and make sure they match the ones that you want to use. The values can be changed in the circuit, although it doesn't make a difference other than just the silk screen. After you get down all of the components, you're going to start using the net tool and connect all of them that are connected in the diagram that you're following. After you get all the nets down, all you need to do is condense it to make it look nicer. This is done by simply grabbing the lead you want to change and dragging it to where you want it. After you have all of the leads set up how you want them to, go to switch to board. It will ask you if you want to create a board from the schematic, say yes, and then after you enter the board, just begin placing the components where you want them. It's best if their leads are as short as possible from their other connections. However, with the auto router, it makes it pretty simple even if you don't do this. Because there are so few components on this board and it's such a simple circuit, I'm going for the more compact system rather than having the shortest leads possible. After you get it all in, simply drag the bottom of the board up to meet this so that it's as small as possible, and then do Tools, Auto Router. The number that I changed up to 10 is simply the distance in between the leads. After the Auto Router is done, all you need to do is you go to either File, Export, or Manufacturing CAM. This is how you export the Gerber files, and this just allows you to send off your board's design for creation by any studio you want.